Well, today we're going to accomplish, well, I guess what I'm going to consider the first real repair of anything on the truck. Notice that the windshield washer nozzle, I noticed that it wasn't coming out over here on the passenger side. Took me a little while, but I think I figured out why. Well, as it turns out, this is actually a common problem on these trucks. EGR cooler sits right here, and it gets pretty hot, and basically the plastic gives up the ghost. So to fix that, brand new one here, this BC3Z 17 kilo 605 alpha. It's just an entire replacement hose set, brand new set of jets. I'm gonna replace them. I'm also gonna add a pair of these heat sheets. So my hope is that I'll be able to use these heat sheets to actually keep the heat down on the actual hose up there. See if that might actually help me out. This should be fairly simple to get out. I'm gonna take a pair of needle nose here and see if I can't reach these and pop them off. And let's see if I can squeeze these guys and push them up through. Or as you can see, the plastic gets nice and brittle and just breaks off for you. There's one. Good old brittle plastic. Let's go ahead and get an idea of exactly how much hose I've got here. You can see, good, okay, I've got a new clip up there, so I don't need to be gentle with it either. This will go on the other side, and it looks like it's going to end right here. So it's a quick disconnect right here of some kind. I have a feeling this plastic coupler here should have brought out the magnetic stand. Yep, that was easy enough. So I'm walking around doing this one-handed. And then let's get you out. See how this is all grayed through here? This was another item I had done on my the 06s, or the 05 rather. I'd taken this off and hit it with the Krylon plastic. I'm gonna have to do that again so I can get this nice and clean. It's frustrating how much extra work I'm gonna have to do for just little quality of life improvements that I had done on my previous truck. That's worse than a thief. Alright, let me get all this out of the way. Not entirely sure what's possessed me to try to do all this one-handed, but here I am. Same deal too, I'm gonna need to clean all these down. I don't like the way that's faded. Alright, so we know how this guy runs, we know where it runs. Let's go ahead and get this open. Da-da-da. Plastics, presumably the same part number, BC3Z 17603 alpha. I'll need to pop these guys through from the top. Now I think what I might want to do is see about getting this wrapped before I actually put it up in there. These are 3-foot sections, and what I want to do, I'll wait till you'll see this. Or what I really want to do is get you, so I'm gonna remove this hose barb. we go. I should be smarter to measure this first, wouldn't I? Because I can measure it and then I'm going to cut a slit over here where this guy's going to be. So let's do that. And I want you about like so. That's just one piece. I think will do it. All right, I'm going to get this measured out and cut it. All right, so I'll hook this end up. I'll need to bring this down so I can pop the two up there, but you can get an idea of how I just cut a little V over here, and I've got this now protected a little better. I just cut a little notch out over here in the sheath. Hopefully this is exactly where it's supposed to be. And of course I got to put the end back on and pop the end off while I was taking it apart. Where did I put the new? Over here. Okay, let me slide these down in place. Prefer you not shut completely on me. One in. Two in. All right. Come on, girl. Now we can go ahead and fit this all in. Of course, I guess I got to be able to reach all this, don't I? All right. Let me go get my shoes. Let's see if I can put this over here somewhere to get a good view. That's not fold you kind of under this way. Now this being a quick disconnect might just pop in. Eh? Yeah. Alright, that should do it. Let's get tools out the way. With any luck, this will provide a little better protection against the heat. But I reckon we'll see overuse, right? Everything looks good, everything looks good. All right, time for the test. Did I seriously leave y'all on? That was all though. And hey. And of course we'll have to check back underneath there and see if we've got any leaks. Alright. Carrying my tools around with me. No leakage here. I don't see any leakage up there. I think we're good. There you go. I think it was like $25. I'll put a link down in the description below to where I picked it up from Amazon. Both parts. And I'll report back long term and see how it works.
All right, Doward here, 5 years into the future. And yeah, so I promised a long-term update on those washer nozzles, didn't I? Let's take a peek. Oopsie-daisy. Here she is. Absolutely perfect. I've had zero issues. I've had no problems at all. The heat shield has done its job fantastically. So I can definitely recommend doing this particular mod. Now I have no idea if these are still $25. This was COVID ago, for God's sake. But I'll take a look down below, see what kind of price we're looking at on these now. Whoa, horrible lighting. So considering I picked her up in 2019 when she was a 2015, it was only 4 years that all that plastic had already cracked up. Here we are now 5 years later, zero issues, no cracking, everything's still nice and non-brittle, as it were. So I'd say it's well worth the money to do this. Hopefully this was helpful. So I am on a goal for 2025 of trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you found this helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button, hit like, share the video, all the usual YouTube things that I'm so terrible at. But as always, thank you for watching.